Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Enboya Robot Vacuum Cleaner with self-emptying base, 9000 PA suction, and why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. 85-day hands-free cleaning with self-empty base. Features a 3.2-liter self-emptying dustbin that holds up to 85 days of debris, minimizing manual emptying and keeping your home clean with zero hassle. Ultra-strong 9000 PA suction, whisper quiet at 32 decibels. Powered by a high-performance motor, this robot vacuum delivers up to 9000 PA of suction, perfect for lifting dust, crumbs, and pet hair from hard floors and low carpets. In quiet mode, it operates as low as 32 dB for non-disruptive cleaning. Zigzag route cleaning with smart sensors. Follows a systematic zigzag path for full floor coverage while intelligently detecting stairs, furniture, and obstacles, preventing collisions or drops for safer, more effective cleaning. App and voice control from anywhere. Control your vacuum with the app or voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. Schedule cleanings, set modes, or check cleaning status anytime. Supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi only. 200-minute runtime with auto recharge. Cleans up to 200 minutes on a single charge, ideal for larger homes. When the battery runs low or cleaning ends, it automatically docks to recharge, always ready for the next session. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.